So this begins our journey home. We are in Denali at the train station here. That is the cutest little train depot I think I've ever seen, but it's set really in the mountains. This is such a beautiful place. It has just been an incredible stay. The rain finally let off a little bit. It started out pouring this morning, but I am just loving this place. This is an incredible place to visit. If you get to come, please do. We got what we call, or what they call, the Gold Star service, which includes your meals. It's basically first class everything. It's been awesome. There's just no other way to put it. So I'm gonna turn this around so you can see what's in here. There. They even had us set our luggage out at like 9 o'clock this morning. And they came along, they collected it all. They'll make sure it gets on the train. They gave us our baggage checks and everything else. So this has just been really fun. There's a lot of people from all over the world. I think I've heard a good 20 or 30 different accents, and I couldn't begin to tell you where half of them were from. The only thing we didn't get to do is actually see Mount McKinley, or what they call Mount Denali. But we didn't get to see it because it was apparently being the king of hide and seek buddies. So for one of the largest mountains in the world, it was hiding the whole time we were here. So we didn't actually get to see it. The clouds just kind of got in the way, but this is just awesome. These panels all show the history of the railroad and everything else. And anyway, just a gorgeous, beautiful place. And this has been awesome. This is our train coming. We are getting ready to board. We're supposed to board in about 15 minutes. So that one will be our car right there. Tiniest bathroom ever.
Now, to give you a sense of scale, if we were to sit the Statue of Liberty down at the bottom of this gulch, we will be about eye level with her torch. If this doesn't quite do the trick for you, if you'd like to play the imagination game, if we dropped a watermelon from up here, it would take approximately 6 seconds for it to hit the ground. Not to worry though, that's not going to happen to us. We are very safe on this 102-year-old bridge with a lot of original components in it. In all seriousness though, it is stress tested daily, so we are completely safe.